You know what's scarier than a one-star review? Losing a customer because their message got buried under a pile of, "I'll get to it later." Here's the thing, modern support isn't just about replying fast. It's about never missing a single message, solving issues with surgical precision, and giving customers the kind of experience that makes them say, "Wow, that was easy." And in a world where one bad support experience can literally go viral, this stuff isn't optional anymore. It's survival. And that's where ticketing systems come in. Not the clunky, over-engineered ones that need 3 training sessions just to find the reply button. I'm talking about modern, sleek, everything in one place platforms that make your support team look like superheroes. So how do you actually master a ticketing system? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, what is a ticketing system and why centralization changes everything? Let's start by clearing something up real quick. A ticketing system is not just email with extra folders. It's your support command center. Think of it as air traffic control, but instead of planes, you have emails, chat messages, web forms, Instagram DMs, and phone call transcripts all flying in at once. Now, a ticketing system captures every one of those interactions and transforms them into organized, trackable tickets. Each ticket has a name, a history, a status, and a person responsible. It's not just a message in a queue, it's a to-do list with context. And that's a game changer, because without it, you're basically playing support whack-a-mole. A message on Twitter, a follow-up on email, someone yelling hello in your chat widget, and your team scrambles, customers repeat themselves, and trust takes a hit. With it, you see the full picture. That customer who emailed on Monday and chatted on Thursday, it's the same person. You know what they were told, what's been done, and what still needs fixing. No retracing steps, no starting from scratch, no awkward, "can you explain this again" moments. It's just easier when everything's in one place. You're not jumping between inboxes or tabs. You actually know what's going on. Step 2, prioritize and automate smartly. Here's a hard truth. If everything is urgent, then nothing is. Ticketing systems let you set rules for what actually matters most. When a server goes down or a payment fails, that ticket can shoot straight to the top of the queue and not wait behind 3, "how do I update my address" messages. According to Snapcall, 70% of customers say how fast you fix their problem is what makes support feel good or bad. So if your team is manually scanning tickets, trying to figure out what to answer first, you're already a few steps behind. See, modern ticketing platforms let you build workflows that automatically categorize and route issues based on keywords, customer type, or even sentiment. And high-value customers with billing issues, those can go directly to your most experienced agent. Product bugs, straight to engineering support. This isn't just faster, it's strategic. It puts the right eyes on the right problems at the right time, every time. Step 3, organize the tags and categories. Let's talk knowledge, the kind you build over time by solving hundreds of problems and spotting the patterns behind them. With a robust tagging and categorization system, every ticket you resolve becomes a searchable, usable asset. When 5 people report a glitch during checkout, tagging those tickets makes it easy to identify trends and take proactive action. And when leadership asks, how many customers have complained about X in the last 60 days, you can give them the answer in seconds, not days. So definitely set aside time each quarter to audit your tag system. Are there new product features that need labels? Are older tags being used consistently? It's worth the cleanup, because organized support equals smarter support. Step 4, improve speed and consistency with pre-made responses. Let's be honest, your team probably answers the same handful of questions all day, every day. And while they're pros at staying polite, they shouldn't have to reinvent the wheel for every "where's my order" message. That's where pre-made responses come in. They're like shortcuts to clarity, so fast, consistent, and easy to personalize. Now think of them as your greatest hits playlist. Password reset, covered. Return policy, nailed. And these responses don't just save time, they ensure customers get accurate information even when things get busy. But don't go confusing pre-made with robotic. The best ones feel human even if they're pulled from a template. So drop in the customer's name, tweak the tone to match the situation, and you're golden. Combine that with internal notes to give teammates the backstory when handing off a ticket, and you create support that feels smooth even when it switches hands. And just like your playlist, give these responses a refresh now and then. Outdated information helps no one. Step 5. Track what matters and improve constantly. Okay, here's where we go from good to great, because handling tickets is one thing, but learning from them, that's where the real magic happens. See, your ticketing system is basically a gold mine of feedback. Hidden in those tickets are patterns, pitfalls, and priceless little insights that can shape everything from how you train your team to how you build your product. Now, look at more than just how fast you reply. Like, zoom out, see which topics are trending, which workflows are dragging, what kinds of issues pop up again and again. Let's say your billing tickets are always a mess. That might mean you need better documentation. Or maybe your checkout process is confusing and no one wants to say it out loud. See, the smartest teams treat their ticket data like intel, not just performance stats, but a roadmap for what to fix, improve, or rethink entirely. And when you act on that data, customers notice, things get smoother, and everyone wins. So don't just close tickets, learn from them. That's how good support becomes a great support. A solid setup doesn't just help your team breathe, it actually makes things smoother for your customers too. Get it working right, keep tweaking it, and let great support do the talking. See you in the inbox. Catch you in the next one.